All right, so I think this has to be the most requested video right now on my DM, how to copy paste signal, right? So right now we are on MT5, right? This is MT5 app. I mean, you shouldn't be asking me how I get here. Okay, I already showed you. Okay, so once you are here, and okay, let me show you something in the group. Okay, now a couple of minutes ago I shared this signal in the group, right? So this signal, this buy now at that price range, right? So there's what we call SL, which is sellers, and TP, and everything TP1, TP2. Now TP1 means take profit 1, TP2 means take profit 2, right? That means you can, with these signals, you're going to be making money 2 times, right? But let me show you how to apply it. So the very first thing I'll do is I'll copy any signal like this. I'll copy it, all right? Then I'll look for somewhere I can paste it so that I can copy each of every aspect of it, okay? But for now, since I have access to this group, I'll just paste it. I won't send it here so that I'll be able to copy. I'll be able to copy each and every part of it. So I'll copy the cell loss first. I'll copy. So I'll go back to my MT5, right? So once you are here, so what you want to do is now you click on this plus on the top right corner. You click on that plus. All right. Now you can see that the gold is XAU USD. All right, that is gold. But if it's not here, you can see it on the top left corner. So what you do is you click on this dollar symbol. This dollar symbol on the right top right corner. You click on it, then you search for the currency you have to pair. Okay, so it already, I've actually selected it. If you don't see it, I mean, I've shown you guys on how to do on this. Yeah, so now once you are on this page and everything is set, the currency pair is there already. Then the next thing you want to do is this market execution. Somehow your own might be in sell limit or something, right? So you have to click on this market execution and make sure you selected the market execution. Some people app might be instant execution. I think if you are using MT4 or something, right? Anyway, you should understand that market execution and instant execution are the same thing, right? So once everything is set, you've selected instant execution. If I say buy now, when I say gold buy now, JGP GPY buy now, CAD USD buy now. All right, so that is what I mean. Okay, all right. So once the market execution is set, the next thing is those numbers. Okay, so you have to select the lot size. So you click on that white one, that one at the center. You click on it. You can now edit it. Okay, so now what number should you put here? I taught you guys on lot size. Yeah, so you have to understand that if you're trading a real account that is less than $100, I advise you to go to 0.01 lot size. But if you have up to like maybe $100, $200, $500, then you can use 0.1 lot size or 0.05 lot size. Okay, so these are the lot size you can play with. Okay, so that this was even why I said you should have at least $100 trading capital if you are trading a real account. Anyway, you can do the same thing on real account and also on demo account anyway. So I'm just showing you what to do. So once you've set this and you sure that okay you've edited it, anytime you want to trade, okay, make sure that lot size is always correct. Then you now come on the SL. Now you see that SL we copied the last time, right? We now paste it here. We click on paste. All right, now we'll go to TP. All right, now this time we'll go and copy TP1. Okay, I'll copy TP1. I'll come back here and I paste. All right, now what is the instruction on the signal? The signal said buy now. Yeah, so I'll go and click on buy. Okay, so I don't buy now. So what I'll do, I'll go back again, the same process. I'll go and copy the sellers. I want to enter TP2 now, so I'll go and copy the sellers, copy it. All right, so I'll just copy the sellers. I'll put it here. That first same sellers, right? It's the same thing. Then this TP, because I've used TP1, I'll go back and copy TP2. All right, I'll just copy, come here and paste. Then I'll still buy again. All right, so that is it. This is how to enter signals. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay.